channel. Today I'm going to be eating childhood food for 24 hours. So let's get on to the... First, I'm having some multi-grain shapes. I used to have these all the time. And me and my brother used to like fight over who got like the mini pack. So like when we were on holiday we used to get like the little mini packs. And we used to argue on who got the multi-grain shapes. But I'm going to make a bowl of some multi-grain shapes. We're now at McDonald's getting a Happy Meal because look, I haven't even pressed play. Did I record that?
Oh, did you not record anything yet?
I don't know. We're at McDonald's now getting kids meal.
We better say. Hi, can we have, is it a cheeseburger?
No, I'm having chicken nuggets.
Can I have one chicken nugget Happy Meal? Do you want more
Chocolate milkshake?
Chocolate milkshake.
Yeah.
And one.
I'm afraid we're out of chocolate at the moment.
Do they have any?
Do you have any?
Strawberry or vanilla?
I'll have strawberry.
Strawberry, please.
Yeah.
And can I have a cheeseburger Happy Meal
Cheeseburger Happy Meal.
with a Coke?
Okay. Anything else for you?
That's it, thanks.
Alright, so it's 5:46, the next window.
You want barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
We can start looking. Thank you. You put them down there for them. Thank you. Thank you.
With barbecue sauce.
Oh, could I have some barbecue sauces? 2, please. Thank you.
Do we tell the drinks too?
Yeah, okay. Oh,
Look
yeah.
how pink the strawberry milkshake is.
Should we just go and sort ourselves out for a minute? Are we sitting here?
No,
We've got to
we're
drive.
driving.
Okay, well I need to sort myself out a minute though because I've got to...
I got a strawberry milkshake. I tried to get chocolate, but they said they have no chocolate left, so I thought, just get strawberry. And then I got a chicken nugget Happy Meal. Don't know what one's mine. I'll have a look a second. I haven't had a strawberry milkshake in ages. That's yours. I said you just ripped the box. And I got barbecue sauce.
Oh, I forgot we've got these horrible straws now.
How you get me? Let's do a taste test of this strawberry milkshake because I haven't had.
I'll
I
put
only
that
get
down
chocolate.
there. And put that in there for now. I'll put them in there for now, okay? Is it nice?
That's quite nice, yeah. Do you know what? I actually had a Happy Meal the other day. Now I'm going to time lapse me eating this. I got, because remember when you're younger and you get really excited about the toy. Right, I can't even see. Let's open it up. I actually had a Happy Meal the other day and I got a cat. Oh look, this time I got a dog on a skateboard. How exciting. Guys. Right. From Tesco's, I got some rainbow drops because these are just what you always had when you were a kid. And they're down too, and I have them all the time. And then, it was 3 for £1. And you know when there's a 3 for £1 deal, you got to get 3 for £1. So I got some candy sticks. When I was younger, I used to get these and pretend they were cigarettes. I did.
Who didn't?
Yeah, I swear everyone did that, to be fair. Yeah. And then I got these Chew It. I used to always get these when I went to my nan's house. I don't know if I'm going to like sour apple though, because I've been kind of put off by the flavour apple after I got a bit drunk. And then I got this lollipop. Do you know what, right? I used to have these all the time when I was younger, yeah, and I still have them now. And I was out a few weeks ago and it's like a whistle noise and I was walking around the car park whistling it. And then I got some pinballs because, like, You know, who didn't used to eat pinballs? I used to get really excited about pinballs, but I used to get like the multi-packs where they come in smaller ones. And then, last but not least, is a dip dab. These are dank. So that was my selection of sweets. Right, we're now trying a candlestick. Sticks even, not candlesticks. Right, let's open these. They've got a transformer. Oh, there's a tattoo inside. I used to get really excited about the tattoos.
Can I have them?
Yeah. Got a quality tattoo. We'll put that on. Right, let's see if these are still good. Amazing. You can't eat them.
What's the kind of smoking it?
It's 3+.
Oi! What's gonna be man?
These are nice. Do you like it? Alright, now we're doing a taste test. Okay, right, next. Should we have one of these?
I'm not having one.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not.
Why?
Don't like them.
No.
I don't like apple sweets.
You have to have one anyway.
No, I thought of you throwing up.
Just have one. I'm having one. Oh, this is just bringing back memories.
I've just got a thought of that video in my head.
You ready?
Does that count?
Right.
I suppose so. Oh, that's Transformers.
Well, I'm having it. We can have half each. I used to love these when I was younger, but I think drinking alcohol's put me off. Pinballs. Oh, that's my favourite one, the pink one.
My favourite's the cola.
I'm having the pink one. I have a...
What? You bit your tongue again, didn't you?
I have these all the time. They're a bit sour. Oh, we should have rated them. We should have rated them. Right. These. A 6.
I'll give them an 8. I love them.
I give them a 6.
They're like my childhood too.
Yeah, like as a child, like they still taste as good as childhood, but like when I was younger, I used to have way more fun with them. But
yeah, when you're like 6 years old, hiding behind that back chute, saying there's a smoking. That's what you're solid, mate.
and then these, like a 3. And then these, they're just good anyway, like a 8. Oh, rainbow drops. These are dank.
10.
Yeah, these are a 10. We get these all the time. We're not going to taste test a lolly because I eat them all the time and I'll just eat them later. That's our sweet taste test over. If you like it, and subscribe. People are probably going to be like, who's that boy in the background?
What can I hear a man's voice in the back?
No, you mean a little boy. I'm now having a fruit shoot. I got the red ones because these used to literally be my favourite ones. So I'm going to drink this and probably watch TV. Did tattoos? Sexy. Now I'm having dinner. So for dinner I'm having turkey, dinosaurs and smiley faces because this is literally what you always eat when you're a child. I'm now having, hold on a sec, making myself a little tripod. Oh, my hair's a mess. I'm having one of these wildlife tubes, you know, the yogurt things. These are literally what we used to always have when we were younger. We used to eat them in packed lunch.
How attractive.
Aye. They're still good. Now, we're gonna have some rainbow drops. I literally always get these, but I'm gonna do a taste test for you guys anyway.
I feel like we eat these too much.
Yeah.
We literally get these every time.
I was watching a childhood video, right? And they were eating these, and ever since then, we always get them. They're so good. But, yeah. Thank you for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below any other videos you guys like to see. Also, remember to follow all my social media is linked down below. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Bye!